Hey, sorry about the mess on the truck. It's funny how they're always messy when they're being worked on. But I was just in the process of installing a Tach because this model didn't come with one. So thankfully it's a pretty simple thing or project. The black or the ground, I just bolted it to this metal frame here. I haven't done the lights yet, but this is the switch for the dimmer. I'm just going to tap into that for the lights, which is a white wire. The red is the power, and I hooked it up. Oh, sorry. See that 10 amp fuse? That is actually the radio and air conditioning. That's what I tapped into, because that'll get power as soon as you turn your ignition on. And the to get the reading from the so that the Tach gets the reading from the distributor and all that, I tapped into. I haven't done it permanently yet. I just hooked it up to make sure it would work. If you can see, this harness right here taps into, I believe, the secondary ignition coil. So if you see the blue wire with red marks on it, that's the one I'm actually tapping into. That's the one that gets the signal from the distributor and all that, so that the Tach actually gets a signal. I'll turn it on real quick just so you can see it working. But yeah, thankfully that's a rather easy job. I just gotta find the right spot to feed the green wire through under the hood, so it's not in the way. And I like where the Tach is. It's like for me, for my height and all that, it's literally perfect, in the perfect spot. If I was to put it, most people put it here on the column, and obviously since the steering wheel is no longer is a aftermarket one, the steering wheel would kind of block everything. If I was to put it there, it'd kind of be in the way a little bit. So I'm actually okay with it being there. I just gotta mount it, figure out how to mount it properly. But yeah, that was a pretty easy thing to do. I thought it was gonna be all difficult and stuff because I've never messed with that before. That's cool either way. But yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.